In today's video, we'll be discussing on how to trade boom and crash successfully using 1 hour time frame. Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you dive into your real account. Okay, this is very important, and if you have any question about any of my videos, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you also find them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, quickly, in today's video we'll be looking at how to trade boom and crash on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so many people have been seeing the way I do my analysis on higher time frame, and they've been asking me how they can trade boom and crash on higher time frame. So in today's video I have decided to show us how to trade boom and crash on 1 hour time frame. But before we go fully into that, we'll be doing some market analysis, and like I said, we will also be looking at the tips for the day, okay, so that you guys will know what you should look out for whenever you are trading today. Okay, so we're going to do that also. So I'm going to be, during the session for the tips for the day, I'm going to tell you what you should look out for if you should do more of selling for boom 1000 or buying for boom 500. I'm going to explain my reasons behind this, and you too can also use that idea to do your own analysis before you trade today. Okay, so let's quickly go straight to the markets to do some market analysis before we go into today's training properly. So if you want to benefit from all these, I want you to sit tight, make sure you switch off everything that will be distracting your attention. Make sure you have your notepad and your pad and your pen ready, and also make sure you give me just 5 minutes of your time to listen to whatever I will be explaining to you in this video. And make sure you watch this video to the end, because you can never say where the tips for the day will be coming up. Okay, it can be in between the video, and it can be towards the end of the video, but definitely not at the beginning of the video. So let's go straight to the platform. Okay, like I said, if you have any question, again, feel free to contact me. Probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, or maybe you have some questions bothering your mind before you dive into any trade. Feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. So let's go straight to the platform. We're starting with boom 1000. Okay, for a while now, boom 1000 has been on a very long downtrend. I'm using the signal indicator here. In my last video, we highlighted this section. You can see this section. This is a support region. Okay, and 2 days ago I gave us an hint that once it breaks this support region, then definitely we see it going down more, and it came down to this level. Yesterday it pulled up a bit, and I rule out this this horizontal line to map out the resistance level. You can see the resistance levels here. So I said if it breaks this resistance level, then it will bust out fully, which led to this eventually, which led to this. So that means boom is on uptrend at the moment, and as you can see, the what was it called, the indicator telling us the trend indicator, which is the line, is already showing the blue color, which means that it is an uptrend at the moment. But wait for the tips so that you know what to look out for. Let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. With crash 1000, I will be using the crusher indicator for this. Okay, this is daily time frame, and this is at a support level on daily time frame, and it's a major one. So that is why we're having a pullback. You can see it's going back up. It started going back up since yesterday. Let me take it to 1 hour time frame so that we get to see what is happening. You can see I told you that if it breaks, you can see the channel I drew. It has been walking in between the channel for a very long time. So I told you if it breaks this above it, then it will shoot out totally, and that was what led to this uptrend at this particular point. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500. For boom 500, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for this. Okay, for boom 500, let me take it down a bit. Okay, at the moment, okay, it's just finished the uptrend, which is from this region to this region. So at the moment it's trying to go back on downtrend, but consolidating within this region. Okay, it is consolidating within this region. Okay, if it breaks above this line, let me draw out the horizontal line so that you get to see it. If it breaks above this region, then it is coming to this resistance level, and if it breaks that resistance level, then we should be looking at the next resistance level. But if it comes below and breaks out from this support level, then we should experience a very long downtrend, but it is most likely it breaks down below because the market is on downtrend already, as we can see. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. Okay, for crash 500, it actually went up to this level, came down a bit, which is a pullback, and it went up again. It has gotten to that resistance level again, so definitely there should be a pullback again. And if it breaks this support level, this particular support level, then definitely we should experience a downtrend around there. So wait for all these actions to take place before you jump into the trade, most especially for those that are within the consolidating area. Okay, this is most likely to come back on downtrend, but definitely, even if it's not going to go on full downtrend, at least there should be a pullback, so you can benefit from that pullback. Remember, this is 1 hour time frame. You can take advantage of that. Okay, so I'll be stopping right there with the analysis. Remember, what we have for today is how to trade boom and crash on 1 hour time frame. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for that and do the necessary stuff. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have for today, which is how to trade boom and crash on 1 hour time frame. So let me quickly say this so that we get to know what to put in place before we can trade this. Okay, the first thing you need to take note of is this is a trend trading asset, so you need to be sure of the trend. Okay, just because you are sure of the trend does not mean that on 1 hour time frame, because it is on uptrend there, then it will definitely put you in profit immediately. Remember, every seconds makes is what is adding up to make minutes, and every minute is what is adding up to make hours. Okay, so that is how it works. So it can be on uptrend in higher time frame and downtrend in lower time frame, but remember, lower time frame will be very easy for the lower time frame to change direction compared to the higher time frame. So all these are very, very important. And also, I always advise you, if you are having a good trading capital, you can try this out. You can also do it with your small capital, but it is easier with a good trading capital. It makes it very easy. That is why I'm not really taking you to a daily time frame. I'm not really taking you to a 4 hour time frame. There are times that you have to check those periods out, but this time around I'm trying to reduce the risk for you guys. That is why I'm bringing it down to 1 hour time frame. If you can do your analysis within 1 hour time frame, then you are good. So this is how we can do this. So let's see how it goes. Sometimes you can go into the trade and you'll be in negative for a while before you be in positive, but once you will Once you get into positive, it's going to be a huge profit for you. Okay, so let's see how we can do the analysis, and I will be doing that using the using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, that is what I will be using. Okay, so this is how it works. I'm going to explain the whole strategy for you so that you guys will understand how it works. Okay, number one is to take it to 1 hour time frame after having this set up on your account. I'm going to explain two ways with it. Okay, the first thing is this trend. Once you are sure of the trend of the market, you can always follow the signal that supports the trend. For instance, this is on downtrend. Okay, and this is on downtrend, and we got a sell signal here. You can see you can always come in here and sell till you have your blue arrow popping up. Okay, once you have your blue arrow popping up, you can exit the market immediately. That is the first way to go about it. You can always do that. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. Can you imagine coming in here and being in the market till this level? This actually gave us 32 candles. That is more than a day. Okay, you selling for more than a day. Isn't that amazing? So that is cool, isn't it? So, and also you can even leave it until the end of the trend, which is this place. It will always put you in profit at the end of the day. Once you start from the beginning of the trend till the end of the trend, by the time you are getting to the end of the trend, you will definitely put you in profit. This is another opportunity to trade again. Check this out. This is a buy trend. If you start with the trend here, okay, if you start with the trend here, okay, you can always close it here. You can see it here, or you close it here. Check it out. This is the close of the trend. Okay, you close it here. Isn't that huge profit for you? That is why I said once you start from the beginning of the trend, you can even be in negative at the beginning, but towards the by the time the trend will be ending, then you will definitely be in a big profit. This is 119 candles, okay, of 1 hour candles, 119. That is 119 hours. Okay, that is amazing. Divided by 24. Let's look at the number of days spent. I mean, this is for 4 days, almost 5 days. Can you imagine? Almost 5 days. Okay, that is amazing, isn't it? So that is how you can use this to trade boom and crash successfully, even within the trend. Okay, you can see that this is fully simplified, and it is something you can easily follow. Okay, and it can help you to trade it for a very long time. Like I said, if you must use this strategy, at least you should be having it is good if you are having $500 with this and you are using a reasonable lot size. Once you see the trend changing to uptrend and you see your buy arrow popping out here, you can come in and place your order. It will keep on going up and up and up till the end of the trend. Okay, it will be going up and down, up and down. You can be in the negative at first, but it will definitely take you back to profit. And once you are in profit, you will be in huge profit at the end of the day. And there are some places whereby you will be having pullback, because even if something is on uptrend, does not mean it will keep on going up for a while. I mean, throughout the trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I've shown you how you can use this to do your analysis. Okay, and I'm also going to show you in my next video how you can apply the signals on the main chart to trade it successfully, so that you will know how to milk it if you don't want to stay throughout the trend. Okay, if you don't want to stay throughout the trend, most especially due to the fact that this pullback can happen, which is also normal. Okay, if you don't want to stay throughout the trend, I will be sharing with you in my next video how you can go step by step for a very long time. At least you can stay in the in the market for like 3, 4, 5 hours trading in profit, trading in profit for a very long time. Okay, so that is how that is how it works, and I'll be sharing more light in this on this so that you will understand how to put it into practice. But first, based on what I have explained today, based on what I have explained today, it is very easy for you to practice it with your demo account. Okay, it is very easy for you to practice it with your demo account. Just go to your demo account, have this set up there. Watch out for the trend. Once the trend is just starting on 1 hour time frame, enter once you get a buy or a sell signal depending on the trend. Make sure you place your order and leave it throughout the day. Let's see what you will be able to make at the end of the day, or probably leave it till the end of the trend so that we will see what you will be able to make at the end of the day. For instance, this is a sell trend that is starting right now, so you can place your order once you get your sell signal here, and let's see how far it will go at the end of the day till the trend will come to an end. So I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So watch out for my next video. Okay, before then, I need to give you the tips. Okay, I almost forgot that. Okay, it's time for the tips. So we'll be giving us one after the other. So we'll be going with the boom 1000 tips. So let's go to boom 1000. What should we be looking out for boom 1000? It's very glaring. Like I said, if it breaks this resistance level, then it's going to shoot up. Okay, and it is shooting up already. So boom 1000 at the moment is more of buy than sell. Let's go to daily time frame. You can see it is more of buy than sell. So at least it should buy to this resistance level, and we are looking at it getting to this resistance level, but it's not going to be now, it's not going to be today, but it can get to this. This is the closest so far. This is the closest it can get to this side before it will turn back, or there will be a pullback. So for today, for boom 1000, we should go for B. Okay, it should be a B based on my own personal analysis. Okay, I'm not deciding for you. Do your analysis. It can be buying for a while right now, and probably later in the night it will sell. Okay, maybe that is when it is having a pullback. So always do your analysis very well, but it is going to be more of buy than sell. Let's check out what is happening with that should be boom 500, right? For boom 500, let's check out with boom 500. Okay, for boom 500, let's see. Okay, like I said, for boom 500 right here, it is consolidating at this period. Okay, it is consolidating, although it's been more of uptrend than downtrend. It is consolidating. If it breaks this support level, then we should experience a sell trend. Okay, but if it does not break it and breaks this resistance level above this, then it should continue with the buy trend around that level. So let me take it to 1 hour time frame so that we get to know what we should expect. Okay, 1 hour time frame, buying right now. Okay, trying to sell. Okay, like I said, it's going to come with the 2. Okay, it is going to come with the 2. If it breaks the resistance level, that is what we will have to resort. Okay, let me take it to 5 minutes. Let's see, you can see it is consolidating around that region. It is consolidating around that region. Of course, the general trend is trying to go back on downtrend. Okay, so we're going to make our decision based on this. Okay, so let's come here. The market is yet to decide fully. We've got 2 points to look out for, this and also this region. Okay, if it because it is consolidating with this region, if it breaks in between this, if it breaks above this, it is going to go for a buy for a while, but if it breaks below this, then it is going to go for a sell for a while. Okay, so but generally the market is on sell, but you need to leave the market to decide before you trade, because it is within the consolidating region. You don't trade within those region in most cases. Okay, you don't trade within most region. You allow a breakout to happen. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout action to happen. Okay, breakout action to happen. so that we will decide where the market is really going to. Okay, let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000. Okay, for crash 1000, as we can see, it is on uptrend. Like I said, once it breaks out from this, it is going to be buying. This is 1 hour time frame. At least it should get to this level before there will be a pullback in price action. Okay, so for crash 1000, it's most likely it continues with a buy trend. Okay, so always watch out for that. It will be buying more than selling. So let's check out the last one, which is crash 500. Crash 500, let's check it out. Crash 500 has got into this resistance level. You can see this resistance level here. It has gotten there. This is the resistance level. It has gotten there, so there must be a pullback. Okay, so let's see how far the pullback will go. Okay, so it should be selling at the moment. How long it will go, we can't say for now, but this is 1 hour time frame. If it breaks this support level, then it should go to this level before there will be a reversal at all. Okay, before there will be a pullback, so it will be doing more of selling at the moment, but later in the day it can change the direction. So these are my tips for the day, so you guys can put it into practice and let's see how far you guys will go. So thank you for staying with me to the end. Watch out for my next training video. Until then, God bless.